Welcome to Lesson 2, Video 1, What is an RBT? Your role on the treatment team. Welcome to Lesson 2. You've already learned what applied behavior analysis is and where it comes from. Now we're going to talk about something just as important, who you are within it. You are training to become a registered behavior technician, an RBT. Today, we'll define exactly what that means, look at where you fit in the clinical team, and outline the core responsibilities that define your scope of practice. An RBT is a paraprofessional, meaning you work alongside and in support of a licensed professional, not independently. Let's break that down. The word paraprofessional comes from the prefix para, meaning beside. A paralegal works beside a lawyer, a paramedic works beside a physician, and an RBT works beside a board-certified behavior analyst, a BCBA. That BCBA is the clinician on the team. They assess the client, create the treatment plan, and make all the clinical decisions. Your job is to carry that plan into the room, to implement it directly, collect accurate data, and communicate what you observe back to your supervisor. That's it. That is the role, and done well, it is one of the most meaningful things you can do. RBTs practice in a lot of different settings. You might work in a client's home, sitting at the kitchen table. You might work in a school, supporting a student in a classroom. You might work in a clinic or therapy center with a more structured session setup. You might work in the community, at a park, a grocery store, a restaurant. The setting changes, but the role doesn't. No matter where you are implementing the plan, collecting data, and staying within your scope. Now, let's look at the team hierarchy. BCBA, BCABA, and you, the RBT. So remember, your role is to be the team's eyes and ears in the room. You are the consistent, skilled, caring presence in someone's life at a moment when that consistency is everything. That's the work. In the next video, we'll dive into the specific requirements for your supervision as an RBT. See you there.